Another day here at the iconic dealership of the Southeast and country now, y'all, Akins Ford and Wild Willies Custom Accessories in Winder, Georgia. If you're sticking around and watching The Real Deal talk about vehicles on the dealership floor, you're the real deal, because not many people want to go and be around dealerships, but we are different here at Akins, y'all, because this place is amazing. So come see us, check us out. You'll experience something truly great. We have Mr. Johnson's 2021 Akins Ford F-150 Platinum Midnight Covert Edition. He's from Kentucky and now Nashville, and this is a diamond. Let's review. This is stock number MFB 46037, and what makes this special to me is the interior. Look how amazing this interior combo works, and look, you got some nice Alcantara suede throughout, black with, I call it terracotta, y'all. I don't even know what it's called on the window sticker, but it's like a terracotta, that BMW-ish tan vibe to me that hits so well. I love the contrast throughout, and it just has a premium feel to it while just not being a mundane black. Big 12-inch touchscreen. Even on the Platinum, you got some wood right here. It's contrast stitching just like the seats. No blue there on the Platinum. Got that Platinum finish, looking amazing. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, all you could ask for and more. And definitely so thankful for Mr. Johnson trusting in us, what a great guy he is, to do his Midnight Covert package. So essentially we are leveled on 34s because we did the standard upgraded Roush Fox 2.0 coilover leveling kit system. Gives you a true coilover up front that's 2 inches tall. The ride quality is phenomenal, and we are rolling on fuel heater wheels in 20x9, zero offset on the Nitto Recon Grappler all-terrain tire, a new tire that is in between that Terra Grappler G2 and the Ridge Grappler as far as overall aggressiveness, but still being a true all-terrain tire. So great mileage you can expect out of this tire, and a new one from Nitto, which I love. We're sticking out on our mile to wild scale. We're slightly past the mid-level range. That 0, -1, +1 on the 14th gen F-150 is slightly more aggressive than the 13th gen. Just take note of that. So it does stick out slightly more. So we're a good 2.5 to 3 inches outside. But you know, Real Deal knows this is a money setup, y'all. I love this overall, but this offset or +20 is our two most popular as far as the overall setup on our wheel and tire combo. Back to our suspension, we do have Fox shocks in the rear as well to complete that kit that we offer, and we did a gloss black on the exhaust tip as well, and wrapped this portion here is chrome on your running board, as well as this upper portion here is chrome, so we wrapped both of those. We just found that wrapping it is a better overall consistency of quality than painting those particular components there. But your chrome door handles, we did paint those agate black to match. Cap as well, that's a chrome cap from the factory. Side badge here, again, you got brushed aluminum and chrome. Deleted that with agate black and did satin on the F-150 Platinum. That contrast right there looks great. We've got a satin wheel, so incorporating some satin throughout the entire vehicle, like not doing this, not removing texture on that. It really just has a nice flow to it. Stubby antenna up top, and then the bumper does come already black from the factory. This lower skid plate portion, we call it, is black, and your tow hooks are black too. So took care of that, and then did satin on your top, middle, and bottom bars in the grille, and did a correlating satin on the script and a body color agate black on the emblems there. Tell me how that looks, y'all. Now, if you're detailed like Real Deal, you may be saying, well, you didn't do the headlights and tail lights. Yes, I know, but that costs a lot of money, y'all, and we just wanted to keep this this certain level. The customer just wanted it to be this way, so that's what we like to do. We like to just offer our thoughts, but essentially just give the customer what they want. And some people just don't like painted headlights or taillights, and there's nothing wrong with that, y'all. I think this build turned out phenomenal. Love it overall. So out back on your applique, again, did body color throughout there with some nice subtleties of even doing this in a satin on your Platinum letters there. That looks phenomenal. Did the Roll and Lock M series, the vinyl covered retractable. The retractable style is definitely the way to go. Looks unbelievable. So let me know what you think about the overall build here inside and out on this 2021 14th gen. Now I want to show you a few more cool options. The startup on the F-150 14th gen is so legit, I had to bring it to you. So a good startup there, built Ford tough, yes sir. Over here, a nice startup also. So we've got 9,000 miles so far, getting 17.3 miles per gallon, full digital cluster there, along with the touchscreen. on your dash here, hit the camera button and you go forward facing and 360 camera. You can even hit this button here and actually zoom in on those particular corners, which is amazing. Go back here to the normal screen, full frontal camera, a 180 front camera, and then bed camera option with 360, and then obviously you can go straight backup camera as well. Drive mode wise, a button located here, you twist this dial to dial it truly in. It actually even changes the coloring of your cluster there. So tow haul, you've got the yellow look, eco mode, which I never use, and then sport mode, which is the white with the red, which I use often. Puts us in that 4x4 mode, which is just right for just having a spirited drive. And then you've got your normal mode, slippery, deep snow, and mud and ruts. Let's get after it. Pro trailer backup above, I don't use it, but it actually does work very well. Push this here to engage your lock and rear differential. Can definitely get you out of a jam if you're at a boat ramp, essentially. And over here on your cluster, you've got speedometer calibrator, adaptive cruise control here, and lane keep assist. So lane keep assist, basically just it'll buzz and vibrate, and grid lines will change different colors to show you if you're riding true. The 14th gen F-150 really speaks for itself. You know, I've been a part of each generation for quite a while now, and this 14th gen, when it came out, I was really like, can it be better? Can they take that 13th gen body style and attributes and make it that much better? And they definitely did, y'all. This truck has so much capability and creature comforts and just overall ride quality and confidence. And when you deal with us here at Akins and Willies and allow us to elevate something that's already been elevated from the manufacturer, it's truly something special. So that's why you gotta come check us out. Willies, Akins Ford, Winder, Georgia, real deal Neal. It's all right here, y'all. Just hit me up and we got you. We got you.